Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant error code 7 easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here Valorant, right click on it and click open file location. After that, right click on Valorant and click open file location again, and here you will find the Riot Games folder, Riot client. Then click here to go back, and here you will find your Valorant folder. And wait mhm, and that's it. Then once you're here, just click live, and then click shooter game binaries Win64 and scroll down until you find here Valorant Win64. Right click properties compatibility, and here make sure to enable those two options and first option and make it Windows 8, and click apply and OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.